We are very much thankful to CIA, those who are given us the opportunity to participate in IMME 2024. And this is a great opportunity to us to display our product to the various customers. We are getting the very good inquiries and very good response in these exhibitions to explore our product, domestic as well as the international market. And very useful customer, potential customer has visited our stall. They have given us an opportunity to display and explain our positivity and our plus point to them. So this was a really good experience for us, and we are very much thankful to CIA. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Johnson Selvaraj from tecknoweldalloys. We are the world's largest manufacturers of air resistance plates based in India. Now we are here in IMME Kolkata, organized by CAA from October 23 to 26. Thanks to CAA for organizing this good exhibition over in Kolkata to meet all the customers in one roof. Thank you so much.
I am Anand Raman, greeting from Tecknoweld. We are participating in international mining and missionary exhibitions, Kolkata. Thanks to CAA. Please visit our website www.tecknoweld.com. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Gokul Ilangovan, Tecknoweld Allies India Private Limited. Thanks to opportunity for CII, and we are meet many of the customers to explore to our products, and please visit www.tecknoweld.com. Thank you.